Hi guys! Kain tayo ngayon ng watermelon. Kararating ko lang galing sa trabaho guys. And Mandy said, Mary Lou, would you like to have the watermelon? Sarap. Sarap talaga. Mauubos ko kaya to guys? Yummy, yummy. Wow. So juicy. I think Mandy bought this in the Whole Food. Wow. Thank you so much guys. Yummy, yummy. Have a blessed Wednesday everyone.